I'm in. I like to see this remain open here. I like to see displacement above this high, so if it could close like this is pretty good. Not the best entry here on my part. I mean, ideally I could have entered once we closed above constant encroachment, but given this type of price action, wasn't really confident. It's 10:30. I like this a lot here. Buy side. It's right there. He taken off a partial there. Just a small partial. I'm going to be trailing my stop here. Just below here. Just reducing some of that risk. I would like to see it get above that first presented fair value gap. I'm liking the fact that we're not trading into, we're leaving fair value gaps here with displacement. I like that a lot. Let's see if we could get up into our first partial. I'm going to treat this as a manipulation leg. This entire down move. Okay, partial booked. Let's look to move up or stop here. Let's lock in some of these profits here a bit more. Placing my stop below this BPR. Right there. First presented, and this should hold us here. I'm not really expecting price to come and trade down below here. I'm trusting that we're already done all of our work here. So I'm treating this as a balanced price range. If it's completely permissible if it wants to trade into its first presented. Ideally, I would want it to, because I'm trusting all of this to be completely balanced here. Yeah, 22,931. I like to see it remain above there. This is that gap I'm talking about. I like to see it remain above it. I don't want to trail my stop too much here, but I will trail it below constant encroachment when this thing closes. Yeah, trail it right below here. I'm giving this trade room to breathe here, and if it wants to pull back into these gaps, it's more than able to, giving it lots of wiggle room here. Ideally, I want to see it stay above the upper half if it decides to trade up into here. I'd like to see that gap hold. That gap right there. This right here, expecting it to hold. Haven't quite traded into it yet. Yeah. Okay, we traded into that 3-minute gap right here. Institutional order flow entry drill. Traded into that midnight opening price. And also this 5-minute gap right here. What I'm looking for right now is speed to get it back above this bullish fair value gap. Traded into that first presented. I don't know what just happened. but we just got stopped. A profit. Fantastic. Did anybody tweet something? I don't know what happened, but hey.